Hello, I am Marika from Hygienius, and I will guide you on how to use the PROTECTA Urinal for men. Before positioning PROTECTA Urinal with the patient, add Solid Safe. Without Solid Safe, PROTECTA is liquid tight for 4 hours. With Solid Safe, it lasts longer. 1 sachet of Solid Safe absorbs 1000 milliliters. Solid Safe also neutralizes bad odors. PROTECTA Urinal has a capacity of 875 milliliters. Do you want to take a urine sample? Add Solid Safe after. Tilt the backrest of the bed in a reclined sitting position so that the patient leans back a little. Place the legs at a small angle and slightly apart. Let your patient hold the PROTECTA Urinal by the neck so that it remains well positioned. Your patient is now ready to pee. Is your patient ready and has the urine gelled up with Solid Safe? Take over PROTECTA Urinal and close it with the closure cap for safe disposal of the urinal. Dispose of PROTECTA safely and hygienically in the nearest macerator or waste trolley. That's everything you need to know to use PROTECTA Men's Urinal safe and efficiently. Do you want to learn more about our PROTECTA Urinal or our other products? Feel free to contact us. Our team is ready to help. Thanks for watching and good luck using PROTECTA Urinal for men.
Hygienius, humanizing infection prevention.